I've yet to see the new one in person, so.
Oh, you haven't seen it? So you're
No.
So you're ready to do a thing?
I'm just recording you opening it. Just because I've never seen it.
Jeez.
Oh, yeah, it's airtight.
Bottom. Because there's the.
Yep, and there should be a little tab.
What's that? Some kind of.
I think it's just.
Plastic
Oh,
stand?
so that's, yeah, this holds it up. So.
Okay. This is the controller.
Yeah. Your purple one arrives next week.
Thursday, I think.
Thursday? Okay.
That's heavy, dude. That's nice.
Yeah, they called it the DualSense controller.
Man, it feels so sturdy.
Yeah. You just wait till it's on and you're playing a game. Like with cars, you can feel the feedback in the tires and all kinds of stuff.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So they just made things way more intense.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, or another good example is Call of Duty. You can feel the gun. So, oh, yeah, definitely. So, very immersive experience, I guess you could say. Oh yeah, that's that's way slimmer than mine.
It's heavier than you think, too.
Yeah. It's crazy how much smaller it is. I know you haven't seen the old one, but I have. Like, it's.
I mean, I've seen it sitting on people's shelves.
Have you? Okay, okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty high-tech computer there.
Basically, yeah. And it just stands upright. Isn't it such a weird shape? I mean, normally PlayStations are square.
Yeah, it's just really different.
Yeah.
Oh, and here's the disc.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. And so you got. If you ever want to change the color of it, they sell plates.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so you can. They got black, pink. Mine is black and pink, currently. I took the white plates off, put on pink ones, so I have a black core with a pink shell, basically. But they've got black, pink, red, blue, purple. I think silver. So yeah. So if you ever get tired of the white, you want to match something else, it can.
Probably.
Right.
Yeah.
Pacheco gets it up the gut. And they'll take this from a 9 down to 7. A minimal gain there on the 8th play of the drive. No score after 1. They are in need of 6 yards here if they hope to move the chains. Throwing is Mahomes on 3rd.
No, almost.
Just needed to hang on just a second longer, but he couldn't complete the process of the catch through the jostling from the defender. So on 4th down, Mahomes off, Harrison Butker on for the Chiefs.
You want to aim that way?
From the left hash, should be a fairly easy
Further over.
here.
You're gonna hit the pole. You gotta hold it though. There you go. Oh, it wasn't real. Okay. Okay. Well, you didn't get it, but yeah, it's okay.
ducking.
Yep.
Every situation, and in this case, the offensive guys had the right play dialed up.
You got it.
Here's coming back at me hard.
Yeah. Still 0-14. Screw them Broncos.
Oh, we almost finished that one.